Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're heading off to Alton Towers. Can't wait to go on Wicker Man.
That is honestly my favourite. I love the whole vibe, I love the music. Just pagan chanting is the one. Like,
Aye, it's cool. We showed you last time the queue and all that, but we'll try and get some more out of the day. It's brilliant. Last night we went and seen Candyman, which is amazing.
So good. I was a bit worried because it was going to be terrible because I love the original, but it was so good.
So much better than the original, I thought anyway. And it's just that it's outstanding. And then we went to Chiquito, is that how you say it? We went to Chiquito for dinner last night, which was really good. We never filmed or anything.
Good gluten-free options.
Aye, they get cracking gluten-free options. So today is Alton Towers, and then that's it really, isn't it? And just chill the night.
Our last day in B&B.
Aye, last day in this B&B. B&B's cracking. We're on the road. It was a wee bit noisy last night, but that's obviously not there. B&B's fault. It's just, that's what it is when you stay next to the road.
We're in a town centre.
Aye, just in the middle of town centre. So, right, well, we're sort of running a wee bit late, so we better get going.
I wonder whose fault that is.
Right, see you in there. So here's where the monorail ends and brings us right to the park. Now we're just about to go in, get our bag searched. Well, I'm about to get my bag searched. We're just going to go through the haunted hollow, maybe. We'll go the lakeside walk. So we've literally just ridden our first ride, which obviously was Wicker Man.
Obviously.
Aye. We were only in the queue, how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes in the queue, which is quite good. Queue's cracking. And this time we got to see the pre-show.
Yeah, it was really good. It makes more sense now.
Aye, exactly, because we came last time when it was like the height of COVID, we never got to see the pre-show, but this time we did. We're just walking through, I showed you a wee bit back there, said we're going to do the haunted hollow, but we've done the lakeside walk, and we're going to go to Nemesis now.
Yes.
We're going to Nemesis now, and we'll show you some footage, just like people on it and that, and then we'll check in after it.
Grabbed a drink.
Aye, we got a drink.
One of those freestyle ones, so it was £15. Did say £11 before I bought it, and it's fine, it's £15, but you can just refill it as many times as you want for the day, and it's hot today, so...
Oh, it's roasting, aye.
Hydrate, don't dehydrate!
Aye. How cool is the big Nemesis thing here? Natalie's just hiding away down here waiting on me to go on Nemesis impatiently. As I said a minute ago, it's an absolutely bumper of a day. So warm. Isn't that right, Natalie?
What?
I'm saying it's so warm.
It's very warm already.
It's a cracker a day. I know. We're going to go on the water ride, I think, today.
Yeah, well, it's shut just now, but hopefully it opens soon, because when we were on the Wicker Man, you could see them getting ready.
There's like this old school ride here, they're calling it Retro Squad. I don't like things that go round in circles, basically I just get dizzy and then sick. So Natalie's going to go on this. I'll see if we can film her. There she is, braver than me. Got a few wee rides to keep these, got a few wee rides, sorry, to update you on. We just done Nemesis. That was brilliant.
I love it.
Although this time I actually came out and I was a wee bit like shaky, like my head was a wee bit all over the place, which happens sometimes, you know what I mean? Then what was the other one we done?
Galactica.
So we done Galactica as well. It says it was a 60-minute wait, but it was actually only 20 minutes, wasn't it? That was quite good.
Galactica's a lot like, if you know Manta from SeaWorld in Florida, it's exactly like that. I like it, it's so good.
Aye, it's really good. And Natalie done this one called, can't remember, it was like a mad old spinny thing.
It's one of the retro rides that they've got here now. It had like 80s music playing and they've got like retro stuff. And
I never done it because I'm a big theatre and I can't go round and round in circles. And then where did we just come after there?
We just came off of Jewel there.
Oh, Jewel, that's the one that feels like Haunted Mansion and Buzz Lightyear combined.
Yeah.
That was actually pretty cool.
So scary though.
It is a wee bit. We don't know what we're going to do. We might do the water ride, you can hear that in the background, that's on today. But actually, I've just seen the Runaway Railway.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to go and try and get on that, because we never actually got on that last time because it was shut.
Yeah. So
we'll go do that?
Let's try to do that.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! We're just going to Gangster Granny Land. Looks pretty cool.
This was just getting built last time.
Aye, it was. How cool is that looking? It's obviously just a wee kiddie's land, but we're here for it. And we'll get Raji's shop, just a wee corner shop. It's pretty cool. I love the facade on the Gangster Granny's building, it's cool, isn't it? There's all the prohibited items.
I brought my pet rat, I didn't realise I couldn't come.
Oh, you better get into your snorkels as well.
Baroness, Nazo, feet, oh no.
Oh no. Right guys, so we've just been on Gangster Grannyland, as you can see in the background. It wasn't that great, was it?
I don't even know if I think the kids would love it.
Nah.
There's nothing really...
Do you know, like, we thought it was going to be like Spider-Man or something like that, but it wasn't even like that. It was pretty naff. We went on Spinball, which is always a great ride. Natalie's like, Chris, look over there at CBeebies. At that point I just went, and a spiral.
Do you know, there was nobody in the queue, and I said we could probably ask to go again, and he literally just looked at me with point blank and went, no, we're getting off.
No, I had to get off. What was the other one we've been on since we spoke to them?
The Mine Train.
Oh, the Mine Train as well.
Honestly, so much fun. I've never felt more like I was at Disney than on that ride.
Mine Train, aye, the Mine Train was really cool. That whole area was pretty cool, wasn't it?
You're on the Mine Train just waving at the Congo River people, the staff, they're all just having such a great time.
I know, you get to go around it 3 times, which is pretty cool, you know what I mean? So, right, I think we're going to go and see if we can ride Rita and 13. So Natalie's about to go on this herself, because I'm not really too keen on things that go round in circles, and obviously the waltzers are a terrible thing for me. Morning guys.
Morning.
We totally forgot to do an outro last night because we were sharp basically.
It's so hot yesterday.
The sun took it out because it was like 27 degrees last night, and that's a long day. We were in the park from 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock right through to 5, so it was quite long. The last time we left Jay, I went and sat down and Natalie went on Smiler.
Oh my goodness, it said it was an hour wait, and then I walked over and the woman's like, are you a single rider? I was like, I am a single rider. So I didn't know they did a single rider queue for that. So thanks lady at the gate, and I went down and it was 12 minutes.
Exactly, that was
so,
good.
A lot less than 60 minutes.
I know, I never went on it because I don't like it.
Last time you went on it, it really messed him up, so I was like, it
just makes me dizzy, that's all it is, man,
like,
it's annoying.
Coming up to this trip, he's like, I'm going to go on it again. I was like, you don't have to, and he's like, I'm going to go on it again, and then I was like, I really want to go on the Smiler, and he's like, yeah, I'm just going to wait here.
I know, in that heat, man, it was mental. And then we finished off the day on Wickerman, 25-minute wait, so we thought, why not, you know what I mean?
Start the day and end the day with Wickerman.
Exactly, it was
our
brilliant.
favourite ride.
Aye. So that's been our Alton Towers vlog, and we hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give us a big like and subscribe please, because it really helps us out. See you later.
Bye.
Bye bye.